Alright, so in this video, we are gonna attempt to make $428 with Temu. Alright, so I'm gonna be following exactly step by step according to this video right here, and hopefully we are gonna be able to make $428 as advertised. Alright, so let's do this.
Let's start with the first step, which is to come over to Temu.com. Temu is one of the biggest websites online right now, and people are making money on Temu every single day. Temu came out in around 2022, and it's absolutely skyrocketed till then, because it's making people insane amounts of money, and I will show you today how you can do the same for completely free and earn over $428 a day on Temu. So the first step is to click on the first link in the description of this video, or the pinned comment, and come over Temu.com. Then I want you to click on Get the Temu app right here.
Alright, so if you guys may or may not know, Temu is kind of like a alternative to AliExpress. So it's just basically like an e-commerce website, and then they sell basically everything and anything right under the sun. So just another competitor of AliExpress. It is quite a relatively new company, just like you guys just watched earlier on, right? It is only like what, 3 years old, 2022, right? You guys can see right here.
Temu came out in around 2022, and it's absolutely skyrocketed till then.
Right, so it's 2022, so it's still relatively new. So we're gonna go ahead and use this website to make some money. Okay, so I'm just gonna give you guys like the summarized version of whatever he says for the first step. Basically just trying to, introduce to us to this application and how we can actually earn money. And the first method is just basically referring, right? Referral, affiliate marketing. So we can get like a link, right? An exclusive link from Temu once we sign up an account with Temu, and then we can use the link, we can promote it through our different social media channels, right? We have to obviously implement marketing efforts into it. So maybe if you're kind of like just Temu in general, right? If you just want to promote the affiliate link, if someone were to sign up with your affiliate link to create a Temu account, you're going to be able to get a cut from it as well.
Here you can earn up to 30% commission on sale of a product from your affiliate link. So for example, if people click on your link and buy the item worth $100 from Temu, you are going to get $30 in affiliate commission for completely free. If they buy items worth $1,000, you're going to get $300 in affiliate commissions for completely free.
Alright, so safe to say, the next method that we're going to be using to earn money online, it is through affiliate marketing as well. But instead of introducing or recommending the affiliate link to sign up with a Temu account, right, we're going to be using like products inside. So if we were to choose any form of product at Temu, and then we can use the link, right, the URL from the whatever product that you guys choose from, and then if someone were to use your link and then they purchase something with it, they check out with it, then you're going to be able to get a cut from it. Alright, so I think that is what we're going to be doing for this video, and let's carry on.
Now to step number 3. For example, you want to promote the iPhone phone cases, which are really easy to sell and trending always. What you want to do is to search for that in this search box, and you will be shown many different phone cases that you can promote from Temu and earn up to 30% commission on every sale. So if you like these phone case designs from here, what you can do is just open it from there. And the good thing about Temu is that almost all of the products on Temu have these product videos over here, which we can use to promote them and earn affiliate commissions. So if I click on it, you can see that it's an amazing video which we can use. And to download this video to your device, just right click on it and open the video in New Tab from there. Now on the New Tab, you just need to click on these 3 dots and press on Download to download this video to your device. Just like this, there are a ton of images of iPhone phone cases that we can use to promote it. So just right click on the images and click on Save Image as to save the image to your device. Once you download the videos and images for your product, next I want you to click on the share icon from here and copy the link for this product. Then come over to Google Docs and open a blank document from there. I want you to paste the product link in this document.
Alright, he didn't really specify what kind of product we should be talking about or we should be selling, but I'm just going to copy whatever he said. Alright, so I did catch a glimpse of what he actually shared at his YouTube video. Will be this, right, is the phone case. He actually mentioned iPhone phone case, but I'm just gonna go with Android, just for the sake of it.
A few moments later,
we have the Android phone case. Alright, so back to the video. Alright, just a quick break. Before we resume with this video, I want to let you guys know that I made a 1,372 free digital products ideas list. Alright, and on top of that, I also made a kind of like an online business beginner step-by-step guide for all of you guys. Alright, and it's free. So if you guys are interested in that, if you guys want to start your first online business, basically selling or monetizing your passions and your knowledge, right, with your specialized skills, whatever it is, you guys can start right now. Okay, so if you guys need help with it, maybe you guys don't know what to do, maybe you guys don't know what to sell, you guys don't know where to begin, all of those beginner questions, right, you guys can click the first link at the description box down below. I will be putting my link over there. It is for free for all of you guys. Alright, so hop in, click the link, it's free, join the community as well, and then if you guys want to sell anything, just go ahead and follow the step-by-step guide. Alright, so back to the video.
I want you to enter the custom size that is going to be 1080 by 1920 and just press the create new design button from there. That's going to take you to this page where first of all I want you to click on the background of our design and select the background color option from there. I want you to choose the black background. Now I want you to adjust the video something like this so that it looks good and drag the second text to the bottom of the video. Now change this text to the link in bio and boom, your video is ready to promote the first product from Temu and to earn affiliate commissions promoting it.
Alright, so apparently we gotta go to Canva and we're gonna make a final product which looks like this over at Canva. So there's gonna be a link, or sorry, a text at the top of the I think it's gonna be a video, right? It should be a video that says magic phone cases, and then the bottom it's gonna have another link which says link in bio. Alright, and we gotta have the video in the center. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and create this first and I'll get back to you guys.
Much later.
Alright, boom, that's it. Simple as that. So this is my creation, or maybe I guess this is kind of like the video advertisement that we're gonna be promoting. So this is the magic phone cases as we saw earlier on, and this is a link in bio, and this is a video that I've downloaded from Temu. Okay, so that's it. Alright, back to the video.
Now, the step number 4 is to come over to Pinterest.com. You can see that Pinterest is getting over 1 billion monthly visits, and most of their users come from the United States alone. So Pinterest is one of the best traffic sources.
Pinterest, not Pinterest, yeah. Pinterest. Something to think about. Who is the one actually speaking?
Now, if I show you this creator on Pinterest, you can see that she is getting close to 1 million monthly views on Pinterest, and she is promoting different Temu and other e-commerce site products to earn thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions every month. And you can do the same and earn thousands of dollars every month, and even hundreds of dollars daily if you use Pinterest to promote Temu products to create pins. Just click on that, and on this page, I want you to upload the videos of the Temu products. Then you can just copy-paste the title from the Temu to your product pin on Pinterest, and in the description, also you can copy-paste the title of the product, and you can also copy and paste the product description from Temu. Then in the link section, I want you to copy the link for the product from Google Docs or from your Temu affiliate account, and just paste it in this box. Next, in the tags, you can type some related tags like iPhone, iPhone covers, iPhone cases, iPhone 16 Pro, etc. After that, just click publish, and your pin will be published on your Pinterest page.
Alright, so we're at Pinterest, whatever it is. So over here, we're gonna create our pin. So we're gonna choose a file over here. Okay, so the file that we're gonna be using, it will be the video that we've created with Canva. So the phone case, right? The Android phone case, the magic phone case, right? It's gonna be over here. And then we're gonna go ahead and add the title, description, link, board, and tag topics as well over here. And then we're just gonna basically just copy whatever it is from Temu and then just paste it over here according to the video, right? So gonna go ahead and do this first and get back to you guys. Alright, so I've created the pin over here. So case for Galaxy A16, and the description is from the Temu as I mentioned earlier on. The link would be from the Temu part as well. So this is the tag that I've went with: phone cover, smartphone, and Android tricks, whatever that means. And I'm gonna go ahead and publish right here. Alright, your pin has been published. Alright, so that's it. That's more or less it. That is the entire video. Let me give you guys a quick summary as well. So we have to use Temu, and then we just basically promote the product at Pinterest. Yeah, so that's it. That's basically the entire strategy for this video. And then if anyone were to purchase our links from Pinterest, right, we'll be able to get a cut, right, a commission cut from it. And basically that's it. Alright, so if you're gonna be able to earn money from this, I'll for sure let you guys know. Alright, so if you guys want to know, you guys can join the community below. Click the first link at the description box down below, and I'll make sure to give you guys updates whether or not this particular video works or not. And also, the other thing that I want to remind you guys is that I've created like 1,372 digital product ideas. It's all for free, and if you guys want to, you know, start your first official online business, right, and if you guys don't know where to start, you guys don't know what to sell, you guys don't know how to sell as well, all of the questions that you guys may have, I also have it in the playbook inside as well. Alright, so basically like I said, it's kind of like a step-by-step guide for beginners out there, and if you guys want to start, join the community below, and I'll see all of you guys inside.